Hello, children. Good morning, all of you. How are you all? I hope you're fine and healthy and doing very well at home. You all are enjoying at home, isn't it, children? So, let's begin with today's day. Which day is there today? So, welcome back to the school, dear children. It is session 1 and we are on the day 4th day of session 1st. Let's see what all you are going to learn today in this video. First will be the greeting rituals, then discussion starter, rhyme session, numeracy number magic, numeracy worksheet, and lastly you're having story time. So let me welcome you all with a welcome song. Hello everyone, how are you today? Hello everyone, hip 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 hooray. Hello boys, hello girls, hello parents, how are you today? Hello everyone, hip 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 hooray. Come on children, do with me. Hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray. Very good. Next is discussion starter. What is this? Discussion starter. In this, dear parents, all those who are new students, for them, discussion starter is something, there will be a question on the screen and on that topic we will be discussing with each other. For example, what do you do on the weekends or on the holidays? So children, I am asking you the question that what do you do on Saturday, Sundays, isn't it? So you are going to share with me your views about the holiday, the weekends. What do you do? How do you celebrate that weekend? Okay. So for today you can discuss it with your parents in the virtual class. You have to discuss it. You have to share your views with me. All right. Keep washing your hands, dear children, because the environment is not good outside, as you all know. Because of corona, you have to be careful, stay safe. So for that, you have to wash your hands regularly with soap. Next is E, that is everything to do with day, date, month and year, isn't it? So come on children, what is the date today? Yes, who can tell me? Who can tell me what is the date today? Okay, now you are going to mark and show me. For example, if it is 9th, so the date is 9th date and the day is Friday and the month is April, year is 2021. So children, you are going to learn to mark the day and the date and the month of the year and discuss and share it with your parents. Okay, you all have to show it every day, the date on the calendar. Next is W, that is weather for the day. So it's very simple children. Look outside the window, go outside your house, go for a walk and observe the weather outside. It must be cloudy also nowadays, isn't it? So if it is sunny, you will say the weather is sunny outside. If it is windy, you will say it is windy outside, or cloudy or rainy or partly clouded. Okay. So however the weather is outside, you have to observe and share and discuss with your parents. You can tell your mama it is very hot outside, it is very sunny outside. So that is the weather of the day. Next is days of the week. As you all know, you all say it very nicely, isn't it? So come on, sing along with me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good. You all are saying very nicely, children. Next is N. So this N is something about national, about our nation. So we are all going to learn about all the national things of our country. So which is our national bird? Yes, you all know. Yes, you have to do the action like this. The beautiful peacock. Which is our national bird? The national bird is the beautiful peacock. And national animal? Which is our national animal? Yes, it is the tiger. Tiger is the national animal. We are also having national flower, national fruit and national tree. So come on, tell me one by one which is our national flower. Yes, it is the lotus. Very good. Lotus is our national flower. And national fruit, which is our national fruit, children? Yes, it is your favorite fruit. It is mango. Mango is a national fruit. Which is a national tree? Does anybody know? Please answer. Yes, it is the banyan tree. Which tree? The banyan tree is a national tree. Now we are starting with the rhyme session. So children, as you know, in understanding the world also we are learning about the job the people do, isn't it? Different jobs are done by different people. So they are called the community helpers. So we are having in this session the rhymes related to the community helpers. See, community helpers, and the name of the rhyme is only community helpers. And our helper, we are talking about the doctor. You can see the photo. Yes, we have studied in the last session about the doctor. Yes, we studied about this doctor. So come on, we are going to sing a rhyme on the doctor. He is also our community helper. I am a doctor. Are you ill? Put your tongue out. Put your tongue out, take a pill. Put your tongue out and take a pill. Okay, we are talking about the postman also. Okay. I am a postman, rat-a-tat-tat. Say, I am a postman, rat-a-tat-tat. Dropping letters on your mat. Dropping letters on your mat. I am a policeman. I am not having a photo of policeman, but I am a policeman, big and strong. I am a policeman, big and strong, guiding all the traffic along. Guiding all the traffic along. He is a traffic policeman, okay? I am a sweeper on the street. I am a sweeper. Sweeper means those who broom the city, broom the roads, isn't it? So I am a sweeper on the street, helping you to keep it neat. Helping you to keep it neat. I am a servant helping you. You all have servants, no? Come for washing the utensils, washing the clothes. Some of them must be having for cleaning the furniture and all, isn't it? So I am a servant helping you, doing all the housework too. Doing all the housework too. All wiping and cleaning, all the things are done by the servant in your house. So doing all the housework too. So this is a rhyme about the community helpers. Let's sing it again. I am a doctor, are you ill? I am a doctor, are you ill? Put your tongue out, take a pill. Put your tongue out, take a pill. Pill means the medicine, okay? I am a postman, rat-a-tat-tat. I am a postman, rat-a-tat-tat. Dropping letters on your mat. Dropping letters on your mat. I am a policeman, big and strong. I am a policeman, big and strong, guiding all the traffic along. Guiding all the traffic along. I am a sweeper on the street. I am a sweeper on the street, helping you to keep it neat. Helping you to keep it neat. I am a servant helping you. I am a servant helping you, doing all the housework too. Doing all the housework too. So children, I hope you like this new rhyme. You have to sing like this in this tune and you will soon get the rhyme. Please sing it again and again. Next rhyme is barber. Even barber is a community helper. Okay. So let's say this rhyme now. Come on. A snip here, a snip there, a twist here, a twirl there, a pat here and a curl there. Some water here. You know, he sprays the water also. Yes, have you? You must have sat under a barber many times, isn't it, children? So, some water here, some color there, a look here, a glance there. That's right, you are in a barber's chair. Where are you sitting? You are sitting on a barber's chair. Some want to perm, some want to perm, some want to fringe. Some want to fringe. Some want a silent, colorful tinge. Some want a slight, colorful tinge. Some like it long, some like it short. Oh, poor barber, we trouble him a lot. Oh, poor barber, we trouble him a lot. Isn't it, children? When you go to the barber, we say, इतना चाहिए, उतना चाहिए, ज़रा बड़ा चाहिए, ये कलर ऐसा चाहिए, ज़रा डार्क चाहिए, ज़रा लाइट चाहिए, इधर ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए. We trouble him a lot, isn't it? So let's sing this rhyme on barber again. Come on. A snip here, a snip there, a twist here, a twirl there, a pat here, a curl there. Some water here, some color there, a look here, a glance there. That's right, you are in a barber's chair. Some want a perm, some want a perm. That twist is there, you know. Some want a perm, some want a fringe. Some want a fringe. Some want a slight, colorful tinge. Some want a slight, colorful tinge. Some like it long, some like it short. Oh, poor barber, we trouble him a lot. Oh, poor barber, we trouble him a lot. I hope you are enjoying this. You like this rhyme, children? Yes? Next is the sweeper. Come on, let's try to sing it in some tune. Okay, the sweeper. The sweeper sweeps, the sweeper sweeps down the lane in broad sunshine as well as in rain. You must have seen the sweepers on the road. They don't see the sunshine, they don't see the rain, but they are sincerely doing their work, isn't it, on the road? So the sweeper sweeps down the lane in broad sunshine as well as in rain. With his broom he goes, sweep, sweep, sweep. With his broom he goes sweep, sweep, sweep. Cleaning every corner of the street, cleaning every corner of the street. The street looks spick and span every day. The street looks spick and span every day. Because the sweeper has come that way. Because the sweeper has come that way. So when the sweeper comes sweeping, how is the street? The street looks spick and span. That means clean and neat. Clean, isn't it? Without any kachra, isn't it? So let's sing it again. The sweeper sweeps down the lane in broad sunshine as well as in rain. In broad sunshine as well as in rain. With his broom he goes sweep, sweep, sweep. With his broom he goes sweep, sweep, sweep. Cleaning every corner of the street. Cleaning every corner of the street. The street looks picked and span every day. The street looks picked and span every day. Because the sweeper has come that way. Because the sweeper has come that way. So children, did you like this new rhyme? Please sing it again and again. Next is the postman. We also have a postman, isn't it? Okay. I see someone coming. Who could it be? It looks like a postman uncle who is very busy. It looks like a postman uncle who is very busy. He wears a khadi uniform so that we know who he is. Who is he? He wears a khadi uniform so that we know who is he. He carries a big bag on his back. He carries a big bag on his back and has lots of letters in his sack. And has lots of letters in his sack. He carries letters from far and from near. He carries letters from far and from near, from those who we love and are very dear. From those who we love and are very dear. I asked him if he had any letters for me. I asked him if he has any letters for me. Do you know how many he gave me? Do you know how many he gave me? 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. So how many letters did the postman give you? He gave you 3 letters. 1, 2 and 3. Let's sing it again, children. Come on. The postman. I see someone coming. Who could it be? It looks like postman uncle who is very busy. It looks like postman uncle who is very busy. He wears a khadi uniform so that we know who is he. He wears a khadi uniform so that we know who is he. He carries a big bag on his back and he has lots of letters in his sack. He has lots of letters in his sack. He carries letters from far and from near. He carries letters from far and from near, from those who we love and are very dear. From those whom we love and are very dear. I asked him if he has any letters for me. I asked him if he has any letters for me. Do you know how many he gave me? Do you know how many he gave me? 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay children, I hope you like this rhyme also, postman. Let's move further with numeracy number magic. We have to recite the numbers from 0 to 100 now children. We used to do till 50, no? Now we are going to recite in junior KG from 0 to 100. Okay? Come on. 0, 1, 2. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 98, 99, 100, 1, 0, 0, 100. So you have counted, you have recited the numbers from 0 to 100. I hope you are doing it with this action so that you get the sequence the line, number line easily, very fast you can. Numeracy number magic introduction of number 1. We finished with number 0. Yes. Now we are going to start with number 1. So which number can you see, dear children? Here. Which number is this? Yes, it is number 1. And how many holes you can see in this number tile? Again 1. How many elephants you can see? Again 1 elephant. So this number is number 1. Remember, 1 elephant, 1 hole in the number tile, and the number is 1. Okay. Next, there is a number line like we did in the previous session. This is a number line. They are showing you the number tiles with the different number of holes, and also we are having the numbers given below. Okay, so let's say it again. Come on. 0. Yes, 1. If you count the holes, there will be 2 holes. Okay, again here 3 holes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the number tile has 10 zeros, 10 holes, isn't it? So this is the first 0. Nothing is there here, means 0. Okay. See, now here it is. See, first number is 0. Alright. And then the second one, you can see 1 number. So the number tile has how many holes in the number tile? Only 1 hole. Okay. Now let's see. Oh, they have not given you. You have to draw it. Okay. So you are going to draw here 1, 2 holes, then 1, 2, 3 holes, then 1, 2, 3, 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes, and so on. Okay, children, you have to do this worksheet. There must be there. All right. This is a number rhyme. Okay. What is this? A number rhyme. 1 little finger, 1 little finger, 1 little finger moving side to side. 1 little finger, 1 little finger. Tap, 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 thrice on the hand. Tap, 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 pointed to the ceiling, pointed to the floor. Pointed to the ceiling, pointed to the floor. And put it on your lap, 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 and put it on your lap, 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 lap. Come on. 1 little finger, 1 little finger, 1 little finger. Tap, tap, tap on your lap. Tap, tap, tap. Pointed to the ceiling, pointed to the floor. Ceiling is up and floor is down. So pointed to the ceiling, pointed to the floor. And put it on your lap, 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 and put it on your lap, lap, lap. Okay, children, this was a rhyme on the numeracy. We are having the numeracy worksheet, and here we are having, it is not seen clearly, but I will read it out to you. Okay. What you have to do, trace and write number 1. In the first part, you have to trace and write the number 1. Okay, this is a homework for you, dear children. And next, find the box with one object and color it. Now find the box. There are 3 boxes given. Find the box with only one object. Here there are 2 aeroplanes, right? Here there are 2 aeroplanes, so we don't want this. Here there are 3 cars. We don't want this also. Here there is a 1 truck, isn't it? So we want that. We are doing the number 1, no? So we want the box with only one object. So on this box only 1 car is shown. So you are going to color it. Okay? You have to color this and complete your worksheet. Okay? Again there is count the holes and circles and circle the number pattern tile of 1. See children, here down 2 number tiles are given. We have to circle the number tile of only 1 hole inside. Here there is one hole and here there are two holes. So which number tile you will circle? We are learning one number, right? So you are going to circle this number tile. So in this way you have to complete your worksheet, dear children. Okay. Next is story time. So you will see it in the next video. Till then, thank you. Story is about Hazel and Gretel. So you will hear the story in a video. I will send you the video in the next evening session. Okay. Thank you, dear children. Bye bye.